FastMCP3's client interface implements a resource-oriented protocol for skill management, exposing platform-specific skill directories as standardized MCP resources. The protocol abstracts local file operations into remote procedure calls, enabling clients to discover, retrieve, and synchronize skill directories through a uniform URI scheme. We will now examine how the client initializes a connection to the skills server and invokes the download skill and sync skills utilities to manage local skill directories. The code demonstrates asynchronous resource handling, with each utility returning paths to the downloaded skill directories.
From passlib import path. From FastMCP import client. From FastMCP utility skills import download skill, sync skills. Async with client http://skills server/mcp as client. Hash download one skill. Path equals await download skill client. PDF processing. Path home/claude/skills. Hash or download all skills. Paths equals await sync skills client. Path home/claude/skills.
This code demonstrates FastMCP's utility functions for managing agent skills locally. The pattern shows two approaches for skill acquisition: targeted single skill downloads and bulk synchronization. Both functions use the same underlying MCP protocol to fetch skills from a server, but differ in scope and use case. The download skill function retrieves a specific skill by name, placing it in the designated directory. This is ideal when you need precise control over which skills to acquire, avoiding unnecessary network traffic and storage usage. The sync skills function, by contrast, downloads all available skills from the server, ensuring your local environment matches the server's skill set exactly. Both functions default to non-destructive behavior, skipping existing skills unless explicitly told to overwrite. This design reflects practical considerations for skill management. Single downloads work well for production environments where you want to minimize bandwidth and only fetch what's needed. Bulk synchronization suits development scenarios where you want to mirror the server's capabilities completely. The default non-overwrite behavior prevents accidental data loss, while the optional overwrite parameter provides flexibility when you need to force updates. The code assumes an MCP server is already running and exposing skills, which aligns with FastMCP's architecture, where skills are treated as standardized resources. Let's break it down.
From passlib import path.
Imports path from the pathlib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP import client.
Imports the client class from the FastMCP package, which provides the primary interface for interacting with MCP model context protocol servers. This class enables establishing connections and performing operations like skill management or resource retrieval within the FastMCP ecosystem.
From FastMCP utility skills import download skill, sync skills.
Imports two utility functions from FastMCP's skills module. Download skill for fetching individual skills and sync skills for downloading all available skills from an MCP server.
Async with client http://skills server/mcp as client.
Establishes an asynchronous context manager that creates a client connection to the MCP server at http://skills server/mcp. The async with statement ensures the client is properly initialized before the block executes and automatically cleaned up afterward. This provides a scoped client instance for making requests to the skills server during the context's lifetime.
Hash download one skill. Path equals await download skill client. PDF processing. Path home/claude/skills.
Calls download skill asynchronously to fetch the PDF processing skill and stores the resulting path in the path variable. The skill is downloaded to the user's home directory under Claude Skills.
Paths equals await sync skills client. Path home /Claude/skills.
Calls sync skills asynchronously with the provided client and the path ~Claude/skills, then assigns the returned value to the variable paths. The function synchronizes skills from an MCP server to the local skills directory, and the result likely contains information about the paths or status of the synchronized skills. FastMCP3's client interface abstracts local skill management into remote procedure calls, exposing platform-specific skill directories as standardized MCP resources. The demonstrated pattern uses asynchronous context management to establish a connection, then leverages two utility functions for different acquisition strategies. Download skill provides targeted retrieval for specific skills like PDF processing, ideal for production environments where bandwidth conservation matters. Meanwhile, sync skills offers bulk synchronization for development scenarios requiring complete server parity. Both functions operate non-destructively by default, skipping existing skills unless explicitly overwritten, and return paths to the downloaded directories. This dual approach balances precision with comprehensiveness, while the underlying MCP protocol ensures uniform access regardless of the skill's original platform directory structure. The design reflects practical trade-offs between granular control and complete synchronization, with safety defaults preventing accidental data loss.
The manifest lists files that disappear when downloaded, yet the client smiles and calls it success.